I drink till I'm drunk, smoke till I'm high, castle on the hill, wake up in the sky, you can't tell me I ain't fly. I know I'm super fly, I know I'm super fly, the ladies love luxury, that's why they all fuck with me, out here with the moves, like I invented smooth, you can't tell me I ain't fly. I know I'm super fly, I know I'm super fly. I stay fresh as hell.
I had actually come to Detailing Castle because I had seen some reviews and some YouTube videos, and I was very impressed by the professional attitude of all the workers, all the staff here, and the way Sahil was explaining in the videos. And as you all can see, I think it's a fantastic job, and if one can give 10 out of 10, then certainly Detailing Castle deserves that.
Sniff my car drives itself. I got white girls blushing, homie. College girls rushing on me. All my diamonds